Hey guys, so as you can see, I have a unicorn because today we're going to be making unicorn slime. And I'm going to show you how. So I made slimes like a couple of days ago, and today I'm going to mix them. So yeah, I'll show you how. So I just get this and I put it in little squares. Right now it's the yellow one. Then it's the pink one. And I just put them close together because I'm going to mix them anyways. Okay. So, do this. And it's very pretty after, so, yeah. Yeah, it's very pretty after you mix it. Yeah. So I just put it in squares. So you can see. There you go. So yeah, it's very beautiful. Very beautiful. And I love slime because it's so satisfying. It comes like, it relaxes you. That's what helps me when I'm like tired. It relaxes me when I play with it. Yeah, it does. It really does. This is the blue one. So yeah, it's so relaxing. Okay. Yeah, so good. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Now I'm going to show you how it looks. That's how I did it. So, yeah. Very pretty. And I also want to show you how, when I mix it, it's so pretty. Yeah, let me just, it's so beautiful when I mix it. Yeah. This is how, and by the way, that slime over there, that's how it's going to look later on. So yeah, very beautiful. And I just love the fact that it's like in rows like that. Okay, ready? So I'm gonna do this. Okay, ready? Let's get to it. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Look at how it looks when you like stretch it. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that stream. I love it. I'm so sorry, but if you guys don't love it, I do. So, this is how it looks when you barely begin to like mix it. So pretty. I like it. Yeah. Well, I love love it. Look at that. So I'm going to keep on mixing it, and I'll show you how it looks when it comes back. Okay? Okay, well, I'm done mixing. As you can see. So, it's so pretty. It's like a green color. As you can see. It's very, very pretty. And it does look similar. Really, it does. But now I'm going to mix these two. Ready? And go. Whoa. Look at that. Yeah, so that's how it looks. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good day. Subscribe and comment down below, and make sure you like this video. Bye. Unicorn. Love you guys.